Sodium alginate gel microspheres are a material commonly used in drug release, cell culture, and other fields. Its preparation is usually achieved through microfluidics technology. However, this process requires real-time monitoring and regulation to ensure the effectiveness of each link. This requires a microscope with high sensitivity and high resolution that can be operated in real time. MIX hot inverted fluorescence microscope MIX60-FL can well meet the observation needs of sodium alginate gel microsphere preparation. It is equipped with semi-plan achromatic objective lens for clear and sharp imaging. Long working distance condenser makes observation and operation more convenient. It can be used with culture bottles, high culture dishes, and other containers. Multi-channel fluorescence module can meet different observation needs. Used for tracking internal components of microspheres, dynamic process monitoring, multi-component analysis, etc.